Canary Island summit. As the sun descends behind Mount David, a stunning sea of clouds weaves Spain's highest peak together with Roque Nublo. From the summit of Gran Canaria, witness the breathtaking fusion of colors in the sky. Experience this captivating natural spectacle. Find our photograph printed on luster paper, 50 by 70 centimeters, delivered safely in a protected cardboard tube. To order, simply scan the QR code or contact me via WhatsApp on 633-744-841. Price, €150. This exhibition presents the work of Joan Escala Usarralde, a Catalan photographer established in Gran Canaria who captures the island's essence through lights, landscapes, and unique moments. Each image reflects Joan's passion for preserving the beauty of Gran Canaria and sharing it with those who visit it. Thank you for spending your time here and sharing this journey with me.